guys, this is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog for indorecipe.com, and for today's recipe it is blueberry filled steamed buns. Bakpao isi blueberry. My boys, both of them, truly love when it's blueberry filling, but when I make the filling kind of like for pie filling. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye. So this is 3 cups of frozen blueberries. Just give a quick rinse, and we're gonna cook it with 1/4 cup of sugar, just until everything completely combined, sugar diluted, and then we're gonna thicken this mixture with cornstarch solution. For the cornstarch solution, this is 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. Place it in a 1 cup measurement and fill up water until to the brim, and then mix it. Sugar diluted, boil for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add in our cornstarch solution. Bring back to boil. Steam. Once it starts thicken, cook for 1 minute, continuous stirring continuously, and then take off from heat. The dry ingredients: this is 3 cups of flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, a small pinch of salt. We're just gonna mix these, and then we're gonna put in our activated yeast. Then we're gonna knead it and turn it into a dough, and then we're gonna let it rest for half hour to 1 hour while you prepare everything else. Maybe filling, maybe cook other things. The life of a mother, hey? Always cook. There you go, nicely activated the yeast. Mix it with spatula first, and then you can knead it with your hand. Cover and let rest again for half hour to 40 minutes or 1 hour. It's up to you. It will be doubled in size, or it will be fluffier. Now after resting, we're gonna divide this dough and then fill it with our blueberry. Preheat your steamer. So just pinch the dough, flatten it, and fill the center with your blueberry. Bring side to center and shape into balls and place it on one of your prepared parchment paper. You can use wax, parchment, whichever you have. Now they are ready to be steamed for 15 to 20 minutes. Steam it. When you steam the buns, you want to cover the lid with clean towel so that the water don't drip to the steam buns.